Welcome to another Grade 8 TLE-ICT lesson. In this video, you'll learn the essential photo editing techniques used in graphic design, including cropping, resizing, adjusting brightness and contrast, changing image resolution, compressing files, and working with layers in Adobe Photoshop, or similar image editing software. In this lesson, you will learn what photo editing is and why it is important, common Photoshop tools and their functions, how to crop and resize images properly, how to adjust brightness, contrast, and colors, the importance of image resolution and compression, how layers work in Photoshop, how to create a simple 5x7 invitation using at least 3 layers, safe and responsible use of graphic design tools. Learning competencies. Checkmark. Identify common graphic design tools and their functions. Checkmark. Apply basic image editing techniques. Checkmark. Organize design elements using layers. Checkmark. Create a simple invitation design using Photoshop.